Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
Ramadan day 7. Yesterday we were at the train station and you will not believe how many homeless people we saw. It was so heartbreaking. So we contacted the imam here and you would not believe how quickly he responded. Within just 24 hours, we pulled everything together. A restaurant agreed to make us 100 food packs, and we even printed customized stickers with a heartfelt message from your Muslim family. These stickers were such a beautiful touch. We even included Ihkals in Chinese so they could read it and feel a deeper connection. Once we finished putting all the stickers on the packs, it was time to head off. Let's go. The train station was just a 15-minute drive away. As soon as we arrived and started unloading the food packs, the chaos began. People started coming up to us immediately. No hesitation. They were literally running. It was heartbreaking and overwhelming all at once. And in that moment, we realized this is so much more people than we expected. The situation quickly escalated and the crowd was getting bigger and bigger. There's so many people coming. We needed to put some preventive measures in place and it started to get a little bit dangerous, to be honest. So we decided for everyone's safety, we told them to form a line. And surprisingly, they all complied without hesitation, all patiently waiting their turn. I've actually done similar to this in other countries before, and usually it's impossible to control the situation. But these people were so kind and so patient. It honestly broke my heart seeing so many people in need, yet so respectful and grateful was overwhelming. It just made me wish we'd done more, because this might be the only meal they've had for a while. And then my heart just dropped. The police came. Are we in trouble? Are they gonna make us stop? We explained to them that we're just trying to help. We're giving food out on behalf of the Muslim community. And they loved it. They even wanted to take a picture with us. So cute. But quickly back to work. These people are hungry. I just wish we could do more.
It's like it keeps going, like it's never ending.
Why is no one looking after these people? This moment changed something in me. This Ramadan has really opened my eyes and made me realize how much we truly take for granted. Even the simplest of things, like getting to choose what we eat for Iftar. Yesterday, me and Amina were actually arguing over which restaurant we should go for Iftar. But now I realize to even have food to break Iftar with is something we truly, truly don't realize and take for granted. This experience has brought so much into perspective. A lot of these people were disabled, sick or elderly, people who simply couldn't work and had nowhere else to turn. It just felt so unfair. How could the world let this happen? We went back to the car to get more meals, but we were down to our last 5 and the line was so long still. More people just kept coming. All the boxes of food were gone in a matter of minutes. We did not think this many people would be here.
Thank you, Allah.
Thank you, Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
So many people didn't get food.
Thank you.
Muslims, we fasting, we eat Ramadan, we try and help. Share. Bye. Ramadan Mubarak. My heart just hurt so much. We honestly thought 100 meals would be enough. It was one of the hardest moments I've had to experience.
They're all so kind and like.
I really did not think that many people would be there. Like,
It's actually really disheartening how many people were on the streets with disabilities and
It's
who
so
look
sad.
like they can't really take care of themselves or work.
These people live at the train station with no bed, no food, no shelter, no family, no nothing.
And not only that, the people who were homeless themselves are feeding other people before themselves.
That was amazing.
I couldn't believe it.
Like they were even like saying, "Oh, I can't eat this because there's people behind us who won't be able to eat either."
The only bad thing about this is we couldn't do enough. We couldn't, even if we had double, even if we had triple, quadruple the food, it wouldn't have been enough to give to everybody.
I was actually shocked how many people had lined up. It
Sad.
felt like a never-ending line. People kept
Yeah.
coming and getting food, and there were just like more lines.
In Taiwan, especially, what I've noticed, there is just such an active Muslim community. I'm just absolutely impressed by what is getting done by the Muslim community here. And it's just so nice to see that Islam has spread so far from where the Prophet has come in a tiny little island off the coast of China. It is so amazing to see the influence Islam has on the people here. Obviously, I can't do this by myself. I've had a team help me prepare the food, prepare these packets. This is just such a small act of kindness, but even if this just makes one person realize, hey, the Muslims are looking after us, the Muslims are nice, kind people. Even just that one little bit of change is enough, honestly.